Here are a few things you can check if you're experiencing issues with your water filter. Refrigerator dispensing, low or no ice, slow water flow from dispenser, bad tasting ice or water. All of these can be signs you need to change your water filter. Remember, it's important to replace your filter every 6 months or 200 gallons. Water filters still not working properly? If the water filter is clogged or not seated properly, it may prohibit the water from dispensing into the ice maker or water dispenser. Remember, water passes through the filter to produce ice and dispense from the dispenser. When installing a new water filter, priming or setting up the system is important to remove air in the water line, which can cause uneven water flow. Priming also removes impurities from the system. To prime your filter, run water through the dispenser for approximately 3 minutes or 1.5 gallons. Discard the water. And don't forget to reset the filter status on your display by following the instructions in your use and care guide. If you don't prime, you may experience small, hollow, or discolored ice cubes. Some ice and water may even have an odd taste. If your new water filter is not operating as it should, make sure it's a genuine brand filter. Counterfeit filters can cause countless problems with the quality of your water and even the function and maintenance of your refrigerator. Know for certain your filter is producing pure and clean water. Use Frigidaire genuine brand filters, the smarter, safer choice. For more information on Frigidaire genuine filters, visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.